This is Bob. When Bob takes an autosomal DNA test for ethnicity and genealogy at one of the testing companies, his DNA is compared with the DNA of the other users in the company's database. The users who share DNA with Bob will come up on Bob's DNA match list. These people are Bob's relatives. We can often figure out exactly how these DNA matches are related to Bob by organizing Bob's DNA matches into groups of people who share DNA with Bob and with each other. We can identify genetic networks of people who share a set of common ancestors with each other. By researching those people's family trees and comparing them to Bob's family tree, we can often tell who their shared ancestors are with Bob. But what if Bob was adopted? What if he doesn't know who his ancestors are? We can use a similar method to figure out who Bob's family members are. The research can be difficult, but thanks to the tools that are available, it is often possible to solve unknown parentage cases with a combination of genealogical research and DNA testing. We will need to organize Bob's DNA matches into groups of people who share DNA with Bob and with each other. By reviewing how much DNA Bob shares with each of them, and by researching their family trees, we can often figure out who the shared ancestors of a genetic network are. And we can identify ancestors who belong on Bob's family tree. As we continue to research groups of Bob's DNA matches, we can often find links between these groups. For example, the child of one ancestral couple may have married the child of another ancestral couple. This could explain why both of these couples are on Bob's family tree and bring us one generation closer to identifying Bob's immediate family. By combining traditional genealogical research with the power of DNA testing and the help of an adoptee's DNA matches, we can often find an adoptee's biological family.